to Options Center. It is Wednesday, 7:28, way after the bell. It's evening time, folks. Thanks for joining us here. This is a midweek update. We are on vacation, so can't get the updates as many as we would like to get. But let's jump into it. Go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Options Center logo, and subscribe. If you're new here, join us in the Options Guy Discord. It's free Discord if you want to see, if you want to get some trade ideas, talk with some other traders, camaraderie, that sort of thing. It's all free. Go down into the description. You'll find the links there. Also, I have a Discord where we put videos almost every single day. We try to get trade alerts off and all sorts of good stuff. But let's just jump right into it. We have SPX on the daily. So we are still bullish in the intermediate and long term. Now, the near term on the daily, we are holding that 8 MA. That's what the most important part is. We got to hold that in order to keep this trend to the upside. We do have a target of 4,600. That should be the 168 extension, fib extension, as well as maybe the top of this channel or wedge that we see there. Now, there's a little bit of caveat here. We will do the wave counts, but I just want to show you we do have on the MACD divergence that's happening. It's not actually confirmed until we start to cross back over the yellow line over the blue MACD. The leader is the yellow, MACD average is the blue line. So as soon as we cross back over there, then we'll start to confirm the divergence again. Also divergence on the RSI. We are starting head to the downside. Both points are actually well into bullish territory, so we still are trending to the upside. Let me pull those down a little bit. And if you look at our count from way back here, we have a 1, 2, working on wave 3, 4, and then this would be 5 of, let's see, working on wave 5, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to a 1, 2, and now we're working our way up to on a wave 3. Now, I do have another more bullish count, and we do have a little bit more bearish count as well. So this is the one right in between to where we're starting a brand new in the red wave 1. Down to 2, comes right back to that 61.8 retracement, golden ratio. And now we're pushing on wave 3. So we really have to keep trending to the upside to show that this wave 3 is happening. So this could be a 1, 2, and then a 1, 2. But that shouldn't be very deep for that second one. We'll go down to the 65-minute chart so we can just see what's happening on the ES. And that way we can get down to the nitty-gritty. Then we'll cut off this video so we can get back to fam. Now, the Wi-Fi is not great here. It's been a struggle. Let's get a little bit of the MACD in the picture. Okay, now we're going to go, if you notice the yellow, this is our wave 1, 2. And now we're working on wave 3. So let's dig into wave 3. Now, we just had the FOMC, so we are showing some shenanigans, some chop here, and we'll see what happens with this wave here. But let's start from the beginning. So we had a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for wave 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we may be ending wave 5 of 5 of 5 to complete this larger wave 1. And now we're looking to come down to a wave 2. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to do this, but if we want to come back to that perfect golden ratio, the 618, again, that's going to be around the 2,300 area. So we'll see what kind of weakness we get. It's looking kind of weak tonight, but we'll see. We have for support, we have a rising pivot here that we had reactions on this whole way and further. And then we have the 200 MA, which coincides with the expected move on the downside for the week. And if we're really looking at weak internals, we'll check it out day by day. We have the weekly, and then our target would be there if we're really feeling weak. So we'd have a wave 1, 2 in yellow and continue on the wave 3 of 3. Now, being that this is supposed to be an impulsive wave, we may not see that. Okay, so we may have had our correction in already, and this might be a different count of a wave 1, 2, and then continuing on to the upside. So we really have to watch. Kind of key into this this weekly pivot here, 4408, and also we'll give this 4367 just to give us some room from this. If we break down from this pivot and we just hold this 4367, so you see this range that we're in. It's a pretty tight range. It is about 40 points. So check that out. We break to the upside, we have some movement. We break to the downside, then we got to start thinking, how far are we going to go down? So that's about it. That's our update. We're looking to see if we hold this at this point and continue to the upside. So we're neutral in the very, very near term, meaning tomorrow and for the rest of this week. But for the intermediate and the long term, we are still bullish as can be. We have targets all the way to the upside, and we'll continue to update those targets. 4,600 at this point. We'll continue to update them each and every week, and as soon as we can. Okay, so thanks for joining us here at Option Standard. We will talk to you soon after this vacation.